How to get started with Squarespace. First thing you need to do is to head over to squarespace.com into your browser and click on this Get Started button that you can see right here. As you can see, they don't need any credit card because you can get your free website trial with just clicking on this. After that, you should be able to see in here all of the templates that they actually get. So you can just choose in here the topic of your website. For example, let's choose in here salon, and it will give you in here some options. I'll choose in here hair salon, and then from in there you can click on next option right here. You can just input right here what you want your website to do, like send invoices, sell memberships, get appointments, sell services, and the likes. So on my case, let me head over and then choose in here these options that I can see. Then click on finish. After that, this will set things up with your account, and from in there you should be able to be prompted to create your account. So in this case, you can just continue with Google or with email. Let me head over and choosing here the email option and just fill up right here all of your information. Once you have inputted your information, this will load the web page in order to set things up for you. Now from in there, it should be able to give you in here the actual blueprint for your Squarespace. So for this part, just wait for this to load and you can just choose a template of Squarespace that you can actually use. In here, just head over and input your site title and brand personality. Let's input right here a mere salon. Scroll down, and from in there, you can just choose your brand personality. Let's choose in here sophisticated. Click on next. After that, this will load AI-generated content for your account. You can build your homepage using AI by choosing your intro. You can also input right here your services, appointment, as well as other options you can see. So in this case, let me head over and choosing here this one. You can already see a preview of what it would look like. Head over and click on next. Then after that, you can just add those pages to your site. Just choosing here the pages that you would like. Click on next. And from in there, you can just choose a color. Let's choose sophisticated. Click on next. And choosing here the font that you wish. Once you have chosen your font, you can head over and finish and you should be able to have your website with Squarespace. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.